Hello. Um, Let me check if I'm audible to myself. Hello. Hello. Yes. So I think it is good now. So what we are going doing today? So currently I'm learning new framework or library, you can say. I don't know what to call, like Go GUI library. Fine. Let me see what it is called. Not docs. So I don't know, like I'm learning it. It's on top of Go, so also want to learn Go. So I know the basic of it, but to expand it, and I will wanted to build some like finance related app or something. So let me share my project actually. So it's called Vans, like own finance, um, own finance. So I took O and ants and that's how we have Vans. I know it is funny, but I like it. So let me share the progress. Like, I've started this last week. So you can see here, you can put any company a search, then we can just search it. So it will make a few API calls to Market Scanner and Yahoo Finance. So get the search result, direct result. Then you can click on to add the portfolio. Then you can just take it some from Yahoo Finance. So why I took both was like some of the companies were available in Market Scanner and some are in instrument form. So finance finance things are a bit messed up. So you see we have all here. So what I'm planning is like you can add it here, and then all the charts and information will be shown like in the form of 2 by 2 grid or something like grid pattern. Okay, so this is the issue. And then like all will be saved on your local system, like local MySQL database.
Senior na.
So everything is within your system. You can migrate it or like have a backup or something. So it's an initial. So let's see. I don't have much idea like how find works. So I did uh, went through the docs once and created this like a few commits to help me like if I want a box or a grid or grid wrap or like text. So I have these few things. Thank you, done by. Mhm. So this is a random logo that I created. I don't know, like let's see. So let me walk you through the app. So we have the main here, and then I have a I'm still confused like how I want to structure the file system. And also like we have utils that has constants and helper functions. Then we have UI. In UI we have components, and I think okay, so we have batch, like a simple batch. I'm following a shared CN pattern which has like components and all, and then we have builder.go. So this is the main function that runs our app. Like you can see from main.go, I'm calling UI.run. So this is from this builder. So that does everything. Then we have here types, the search result types for now, and in the services we have API. So So this makes the API call to all the services like market scanner. This is markets, and these are all the publicly available data. You can just reverse engineer any website and just make a call. So Yahoo Finance. So in Python there is a good library like Yahoo Finance or Yahoo Query, but in Go, like I did not find anything like to be like I did not search for anything. I just started it. So let's see where we go. This is just a simple app that will help me explore find and go, just for that sake, and then making calls and all those things. Let's see. And we have the search and in the dashboard. So what I'm planning is like we can have a grid pattern. So in one grid we have basic information about the stock that you have chosen and the stock price chart. So for chart library I'm still into it, like what I want to show, but let's start. I will be using a lot of like Google, sometimes ChatGPT if I'm stuck for too long. So bear with me. Let me drink some water. And I will be just streaming for 50 to 55 minutes, then I will go to sleep. Let's see. I think my internet is taking a lot, but no worries. Okay, so let's start. What I want now is the grid pattern. I have that in my notebook. I was lazy to draw it on Figma. So what I want is like we can come here on the dashboard. Like let's add Tesla. I will add some sort of loading here while it searches and gets the result. But for now, it should be good. Just a draft one. So we have Tesla from here. Let's take it from market screen and let's take some equity. It is ETF. Let's take this ETF. Add to portfolio. We come to dashboard. We have here. So we have one, two, three. So we have the grid actually here in the dashboard content. So it's a container new vertical box. So vertical box is like you can align everything vertically, and then we have uh, a new h box that is horizontally. You can align in this order. So if you might have seen that in search here, you see all the items are horizontally aligned. Then we are following a grid pattern to make it good. So I think we don't need this much height. Okay, so what we can do is let's make height to 150. Can we get the width of this dashboard? Let's give that for future. Width is good enough. Then we need to what we need is like a I have in my like book. So here we need in the header. So in the header, let's see. So let's create a line that will show information. Line will have like a ticker, or let's have spring that. But that will be too basic. Let's keep basic for now. So we'll have Tesla Inc. then dot Tesla dot USD dot stock. That's good. So item dot name ticker. We don't need href here. Instead of this, we need a dot. Maybe let's put this. And then here we'll have Okay, so let's make this a container head. In head here we will have a line, and in right side we have cross icon to remove portfolio. So this will be horizontal. Yeah, we need horizontal. Continue H box. Then this H box will have so text and object. So this is new labels here. Then we have space. Then we have X button. Let's see. Head is not used. So let's remove all and add head here. Where we are using actually. So this is it. Okay, so 44. I'm missing something, so I think I need to move this. And one more thing we need is, okay, let me log this so I don't have to make and call again and again. So select it. I don't know, we will work on it, but let's see. So let's put some Indian company. So Tata Steel. So we have few suggestions. Tata Steel and National Stock, then Security. This is Bombay Stock. Let's have both. Hello everyone. This looks bad, but okay for now. So let's see if we can add border to it. So and go something. I think we need to use border. Anything? Yep, I'm doing good. Thank you. How was your day? Hopefully you're from India, so what we can do is instead of inside grid, instead of card, we can have a border. Top will be this head, then bottom will be this href, left will be nil, right will be nil, and this will also be nil. And instead of this sub border container, let's see how it looks. Ah shit, I forgot to save this. So Mhm. Yes, yes. I don't know if my internet is working or not. I'm not able to see my screen. I can see my screen, but not on my like mobile phone where I'm watching this stream. Let me lower the stream quality. 141st. Good. So let's take NVIDIA Corporation. Let's take random 4567. Anything. See how it looks. Join dashboard. So it's disconnect.